Imagine opening up ChatGPT and simply typing create a new lead in Salesforce, and within seconds the lead is created. Then you type in notify my sales team on Slack and the notification is sent to. Then you tell ChatGPT that create a follow-up task for me for tomorrow, and that's done too. The interesting part, you never logged into Salesforce. You never clicked a button or even opened up the platform. Sounds futuristic, right? That's exactly where Salesforce is heading towards. And every Salesforce professional is talking about Headless 360. Hi everyone, welcome back to Infinite Skills. If you have been part of the Salesforce ecosystem for a while, you probably know how fast things change. Earlier, we used to talk about Lightning, then came Flow, then came Agentforce and AI. And now is the time where we are talking about Headless 360. Salesforce Headless 360 is another major shift that's happening. And although it sounds very technical, but it is based on a very simple idea. So let's break down it in the easiest way possible. What does headless actually mean? Let's forget Salesforce for a moment and talk about something that we usually use every day. Swiggy or Zomato. Now, when you order food on Zomato, you see a very clean interface. You browse restaurants, you order food, and simply track your delivery. But behind these systems, multiple systems are working together to get you the clean interface. Zomato communicates with the restaurants, gets the payment gateway, processes your payment, assigns you a delivery partner, and Maps basically helps you to get the fastest route. All of this happens in the background without you ever seeing it. The business logic remains the same, only the interface changes. That's exactly what is called as headless architecture. For years, we have interacted with Salesforce through its interface. We log in, we open records, we update opportunities, we assign tasks, and run reports. But businesses today don't operate inside just one application anymore. Now think about how customers interact with companies today. They might begin their journey on a website, continue on a mobile app, ask questions through an AI chatbot, receive updates on Slack, and complete purchases through another platform altogether. Every one of these touch points still needs access to Salesforce. Instead of forcing users to open Salesforce every single time, Headless 360 allows those external applications to securely communicate with Salesforce. In simple words, Salesforce becomes the powerful engine running behind multiple digital experiences rather than just being another application that people have to log into. Now, why does this matter to you? As this is where many professionals make a mistake. They think that leveraging Salesforce means learning the interface. But companies aren't hiring people just to click buttons anymore. They are looking for professionals who understand the Salesforce that connects with the rest of the ecosystem. Today, AI needs access to business data. Slack needs to trigger workflows, websites need customer information, mobile applications need real-time updates. None of this is possible without integrations and APIs. That's why skills like Headless 360 is becoming increasingly valuable. Whether you're an admin, developer, architect, consultant, understanding how the technology works will help you stay relevant as the industry evolves. Headless 360 is not just another Salesforce announcement. It's a reflection of how enterprise technology is evolving. If this topic sparked your curiosity, we are also hosting live sessions on Mastering Salesforce Headless 360, where we'll simplify these concepts with practical examples, hands-on sessions, and real-world use cases. To know more details, check out these videos' description.